welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. And look what we have in here. We have the little party animals. Hey parties! We had a wicked storm last night and it's still incredibly windy and everything. So we have these little party animals in the shower. You want to come out and say hello, don't you? Come on. Hello. Hello, my little party. They're having a great time, aren't ya? Oh, no. Oh no. Oh dear. Come on. No. Back in. Back in. Come on. Back in. You are naughty. Right, Avita, leave these party animals to it. So this is what you do with your ducklings when you can't put them outside. You have them making a mess and having a riot in your shower. Don't you, little parties? Well, we've had incredibly stormy weather. And it is incredibly windy. It was so windy last night with the thunder and the lightning, and it was right overhead. And the poor duckies, their covers are blowing off, so I was up at goodness knows about 3-4 o'clock in the morning fixing up all their covers and making sure that they had shelter. And there they are at the moment, being rather silly, and it's raining. Monsters! So I've just sent over the gardener to check that the magpies haven't their babies haven't fallen out of the nest, because the nest is right up there, right on the left there. I don't know if you can see the mass of the nest, but let's hope that they're all okay. See nothing?
I didn't see anything, so I believe magpies are hopefully fine. For a sweep, and it looked like one of the eucalyptuses was nearly falling. Obviously it wasn't, but the winds, wow.
Yeah, pretty awful, isn't it?
Yes.
Whew. Oh boy.
It's wild weather.
On the Wild Gardener.
The Wild YouTube channel.
Arr.
Arr.
The Wild Pirate Gardener channel.
Arr. The Wild Pirate Garden channel. Wild Garden channel. Wild Garden channel. The Wild Garden channel.
We've got these crazy critters. Aren't you? Absolutely nuts out here. They're getting so big, and all their feathers, their adult feathers, are coming through. They just look so cute and so beautiful. And it's cuddle time!
Of course.
Aww. Grass hanging out of its mouth. Hey monster!
What a grass!
Aww. Right, there we go! And here we have the hairdressers.
I think I'm stuck. I obviously have an appointment.
They love hairdressing. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Let's stay here. Oh god. Yous are a very silly lot. This is what we get up to with the ducklings on my bed. They like hairdressing, swinging off my hair, and pooping a lot. Yes, we just had a poop on camera. Ew. Just going to make sure that it's not going to go on all my blankets. So the gardener is getting his hair done. They are nuts. Hello, you want to be on camera, don't you? Hello. Mess of babies. Oh god, here we go. Hello. And getting my sleeve. Yes? Oh, good grief. Oh god. Come on, babies. So how does that feel?
Feels sort of like both the tickling and the scratching of my hair.
Come here, off the computer. Uh-oh, what have you started playing?
Ah! Oh god!
This is what happens when little duckies get tired after playing and making a huge mess.
You get a clump of fluffies.
Who are going to go to sleep. Look at them.
Clumpy fluffies.
They're so adorable. This is what happens when they can't go outside. They make a mess of your bathroom. They make a mess of your shower. And then they get tired and go to sleep on you. And then make a mess on you.
The joys of duckies.
Yes, duckies. Oh. God, they look so big at the moment. That's a little bunch of fluffies. Aww. It's too cute. Night night, Fluffy.